It's harvest day, tribe. I am going to be harvesting my ugu. That's the fluted pumpkin or okong obong. Today, these are the ones I have growing in ground. You can see they are doing so well. So I am going to harvest some and bless someone else with it. But I also wanted to answer a question that I was asked about the ugu. And the question is, what is the best time to harvest ugu? So I will answer that in today's video. Now it's maybe around 7 o'clock in the morning. There's no sun, obviously, as you can see. So the best time to harvest your ugu is going to be when it is looking like this. The leaves are turgid. Right now it's June in Houston and it is extremely hot. Once the sun comes out, maybe around 9-10 o'clock, the leaves are going to start to wilt because it is losing so much water due to evaporation. That would not be a good time to harvest ugu. So wherever you are, the best time to harvest ugu will be early in the morning before the sun is up and the leaves have wilted, and then also later in the evening after the sun must have been down, like the sun has set and the leaves have had a chance to come back to life again. So I will say early in the morning before the sun is very hot, and later in the day when the sun has already set and the leaves are looking fresh again. That is going to vary depending on where you are. This is summer and we have really long days. So sometimes by 8 o'clock, it's still looking like this. So I don't want to give you a time on the clock. Just think when the leaves are looking nice and fresh, that will be the best time to harvest the ugu. Usually that is before the sun is up and it's hot and after the sun has set. And then to harvest the ugu, guys, do not cut the leaves. Whatever you do, cut the vines and not the leaves. You want to cut the vine and not the leaves. A lot of people are still making that mistake. If you cut the leaves thinking you're saving the vine, you are not doing your ugu. You're not doing your ugu justice. So I'm going to look for this vine and then I'm going to cut the vine away from the load. So that's how you harvest the ugu. Cut the vine, guys. Cut the vine, not the leaves. When you cut the vine, what is left is going to produce new side shoots, and usually a lot of them. But if you keep cutting just the leaves and you leave the main vine, it is just going to keep producing vertical growth and you will not get all of these branches form. Okay, cut the vine and not the leaves of your ugu or your okong obong. That is the right way to cut, and then harvest when the leaves are looking nice and fresh. Usually that is very early on in the day or later on in the day.